Guess the phrase.
I leave out the homework.
I turn on the light.
I pick up the book. I am going out. I turn off the radio.
You can come in here.
I will find out the truth.
Come over here.
I don't want to give up. I will carry on my work. I will finish up my work.
I must think this over.
Choose an option. Choose an option.
Turn on.
I turn on the light. Choose an option.
Turn off.
I turn off the radio. Choose an option.
Pick up.
I pick up the book. Choose an option.
Leave out.
I leave out the homework. Choose an option.
Go out.
I am going out. Choose an option.
Come in. You can come in here.
Choose an option.
Come over. Come over here.
Choose an option.
Give up.
I don't want to give up. Choose an option.
Carry on.
I will carry on my work. Choose an option.
Think over. I must think this over.
Choose an option.
Find out.
I will find out the truth. Choose an option.
Finish up.
I will finish up my work.